Hello friends, wish you happy and a prosperous new year 2021. May in this year you live the life that you always wanted to, you desired to live. May you earn the income that you always wanted to earn, and may you live the life that you are born to live. These are my wishes to you and your family, and may all your dream come true in the year 2021. Friends, dreams, goals, all this will not come true on its own. We need to make it happen. So, what do you decide today, and what you intend to do, or what you have decided today, or what you decide today will determine the entire year, the course of your entire year in this year. And today, if you have not decided anything, if you do not have any goals, aspirations, dreams in writing for the year 2021, then let me tell you friends, this year is also going to be one of the new year which will come like the way used to come. All the years will come and will go. If we are talking on 31st December 2021 or 1st Jan 2022, what all that you want to accomplish, what all that you should have, you would have accomplished. You need to have a list of at least 2 or 3 or 5 important goals, aspirations that you want to achieve. Friends, ask yourself, what will be your take home income 2022? What will be your net worth, assets minus liabilities, bank balance or net worth, total the value of your net worth? What will be the net worth value 1 year from now? What all you would have accomplished, what all you would have achieved? Do you have the list, friends? Do you have the list? If you do not have the list, today is the day, friends. You have to sit, take some time for yourself, invest some time on yourself, and discover what do you want to achieve. Friends, let me tell you, 2020 has been one of the unforgettable and memorable in our life. For majority of the people, 2020 has been very difficult year, tough year, stressful year. At the same time, for few people, 2020 has been one of the best year of their lives. I hope you agree with this what I'm saying, and I am one example of the second category. Friends, let me tell you why this has happened. 2020 for me is one of the best year of my life. I've been almost 2x, 3x productive compared to the previous years, and I've discovered many things in my life. Probably I wanted to achieve so many things in life which I was not able to achieve previous, but in 2020 I made it happen. You know why? Because I have decided on 1st Jan 2020, and I have declared this year I'm going to make it a memorable year of my life. I was committed. I was so committed. I will, whatever happens, I will do it. If you want, you can go on my Facebook page. On the same Facebook page, you can go and check. I made a video on 1st Jan 2020 and committed. क्या एक साल आपके लाइफ में एक नया साल बन के निकल जाएगा, या इस साल में आप कुछ बड़ा करोगे? मैं तो करने वाला हूं. क्या आप करने वाले हैं? ये मैंने क्वेश्चन किया था, and I made it happen. And when I did this declaration, when I committed, when I made this video, and when I posted this on 1st Jan 2020, I was not having any idea of, this corona pandemic and all this kind of situation. But still, because I have decided, because I was following all the actions that is required to become successful, whatever I wanted to achieve, I have achieved most of the success, friends, in the year 2020, in spite of all the hurdles. And again, I am declaring, I am committing, I am going to make 2021 as one of the memorable and best year, even compared to the 2020. I am going to make it happen. Are you ready to make it happen? If you do not control your life, friends, who else will control your life? Who else will help you to live the life that you want to live? Who else will help you to live the life that you desire to live? Friends, take control of your life. Today is the day. What you do today will decide the entire year, and also will decide your future. So make a new year resolution. Write down at least 3 or 5 major aspirations, goals or dreams that you want to accomplish in the year 2021. Put the magic number of income that you should be earning on 1st Jan 2022. What should be that income that you would love to see you will be earning? And put the wealth, net worth amount that you want to have, bank balance or net worth amount that you want to have in 1st Jan 2022. If you do not write, friends, if you know what is not written cannot be measured and cannot be achieved. So if you want to achieve, you write it what you want to achieve. And if you need any guidance how to go about preparing action plan, preparing this resolution and resolutions for the new year, and if you need any clarity, I am there, friends. You are most welcome. I'll give you clarity how to go about this. Okay, friends. So once again, I wish you a happy new year, a prosperous new year, a hopeful new year, and a life transforming new year to you and your family, from everyone. And I'll again see you on 1st Jan 2022 with my achievement, and also I would like to hear your achievement. What did you achieve? Okay, bye bye. See you. Take care. Bye bye. Wish you a happy new year once again. Bye bye.